Right, this is what I gotta do today. I gotta get some tray, cable tray, through that little gap off of this tray. Set up, steep set up there. Through there, into this room. This is a shower, so I've got to get a bit of tray to come through, and then T, a bit of tray going through into that shower, through there, and that shower through there. Look what I'm working with. I've got to get up in this bloody ceiling with all this stuff in the way. Come through there, and then let's have a look at the other shower. Flipping heck. How the hell am I gonna get up there? Yeah, so up in here is the hole to bring the tray through. Same route as the red pipe. Great. So I've got to get up and work all in this. Drill into the ceiling. Screw in rods with a bit of unistrut on the bottom. Brackets to hold the tray. Much like these sort of brackets, in fact, exactly the same as these brackets, right? So I've got to get those in through all this flipping ceiling, and then all these cables, got to pull them through. Those cables, all to this center point, pull the cables through there, into this center shower, wire off there, wire off there. It's going to be a framing mission. A few days work here, definitely. And I'll be working off of this ladder, maybe this podium. And hopefully I don't cut my head open like I did yesterday.